My name is Alaska Crypto Guy, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can back up your Hemis wallet. To begin, let's open up the Hemis software. This is going to be the easiest way to make a backup. It's a great way to make a backup if you have the wallet functioning correctly, your balance is available, and this is using the tools that are built into the wallet itself. So once we've got Hemis running, I see my balance there. This would be a great time to make a backup. Let's go into settings. From the wallet tab, you see backup wallet here. I'm going to choose a location for the folder. Now, if this was your real backup, you probably would want to create it on an external hard drive or a flash drive that is stored separately from your PC. I'm going to temporarily create this folder on my desktop. I'm going to call it Hemis Backups. In that folder, then, we need to give the backup a name. I'm going to call this Hemis Backup number 1. Press save, and you'll see that the wallet created the backup. Now when I exit the wallet software, I can see on my desktop that there is a folder named Hemis with a file called Hemis Backup 1. That's the first way to create a backup. The second way is to do it manually from within your data folder. Now, if you've got a shortcut to this PC on your desktop, that's great, you can use that. Otherwise, you need to open File Explorer in Windows. APPDATA is a folder that is hidden by default, so there's not an easy way to navigate through it through the folder structure. So the very easiest way to get there is just to, in the address bar of your File Explorer, type %appdata%. That will take you to this hidden folder in Windows where you will see Hemis installs the data folder by default. And then within that, your folder should look something like this. And you'll see 2 important folders here. One of them is called Wallets. The other is called Backups. Wallets is the file which Hemis loads every time you launch the desktop application. So that's the active current wallet that's being used, and to make a backup of that file, simply copy it and paste it. It's worth noting, if you back up to the Hemis folder, Hemis creates a backup automatically every time you exit the software. So if I go into the backups folder, I've got 10 different versions of my wallet that I can also dig into if I need to restore, if the blockchain becomes corrupted, any number of reasons. Let's say, something happened recently, I don't know exactly, but I just want to go back as far as I can. The oldest backup in this folder occurred almost 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to copy that one. And that's the third different way that you can back up your Hemis wallet. Hopefully that was pretty clear. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to restore one of those backups should something go wrong.